Hi, to change keyboard language on iPhone 16e, as a first step, find and open settings on your phone, and now start scrolling down to find this tab general. After that, scroll down again, find keyboard section, and pick keyboards again. So here you'll see a list of languages which you added to your keyboard. To add new one, click Add New Keyboard, and you'll see all of the options. For example, let's add Czech. For that, I'm gonna tap it. And now we can add it to existing keyboard and make multilingual keyboard with English language, for example, or we can save it as new one. Here, pick any option. So I'm gonna pick this one and click Done. Now this is how it will look. To delete it, just swipe left and select this option. And now let's test it. So I'm gonna trigger my keyboard, and to change its language, we need to click this globe icon until you'll see the name of language in the space. Or you can just press and hold it and manually switch to this new language. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.